Today I'll be teaching you how to edit solutions. You can transform, change properties and modify buildings using face editing. Let's get started. Let's say you have a particular design that you really like and it matches all your targets, but you want to do some fine tuning and editing for it. Today I'll be showing you how you can do exactly that. So let us look at the design that we have over here. We can see that it has certain shapes and it has a podium tower configuration. So to interact with the design, we can start by hovering over any of the blocks. When we hover over a block, we can see that it gets highlighted in red. Then when we click on it, we can see that two things happen. First, we get this transform control that is attached to the block. So we can move that block around. To move the block, simply click on the transform control and you can move it as you see fit. You can also use the guides such as the red axis or the blue axis to move it in a controlled fashion. If you wish to rotate the block, you can click on the block and then press E. This will bring the rotation gimbal and then which will allow you to rotate the block. You can also scale the block by pressing R. When we select a particular block, we also see this properties panel in the left hand side. This properties panel is telling us a variety of properties regarding that particular block. So it is telling us the total area of the block, the number of stories it has, and also the floor to floor height, all of which we can manipulate. And once I have input all the changes that I want, I can click on submit, which will modify the block immediately, and all our statistics get updated alongside as well. We can also perform some complex modifications. For example, we can select on a particular block and we can press on split, which will divide the block into smaller blocks. We can also select a particular block and delete it. Next, let us look at face editing mode. Face editing mode will allow you to push and pull different faces of the block. So to enter face editing mode, first you should click on the block and then press the tab key. Once you enter face editing mode, you will see the color of the block change, and then when you hover over the block, you will see individual faces get highlighted. So to modify the faces of the block, you can click on a particular face and we'll see this transform control appear. Then we can push and pull this transform control. You can also push and pull the top face of the block to change its height. Once you are happy with the modification, you can press tab again and it will confirm all your changes. So today we learned how to edit solutions. You can transform, change properties and modify buildings using face editing. I hope you found today's tutorial useful, and I would love to see the different design combinations and modifications you come up with.